Welcome to today's instructional video on how to factorize the equation 5 times open parenthesis x minus 2 close parenthesis minus y times open parenthesis 2 minus x close parenthesis. In this video, we will walk through step by step on how to simplify and factorize this expression. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. The first step in factorizing the equation 5 times quantity x minus 2 minus y times quantity 2 minus x involves simplifying the given expression. Notice that 2 minus x can be rewritten as minus 1 times quantity x minus 2. This allows us to rewrite y times quantity 2 minus x as minus y times quantity x minus 2. Substituting this into the original expression, we get 5 times quantity x minus 2 minus y times quantity x minus 2. Now, both terms have a common factor, which is quantity x minus 2. In step 2, we factor out the common factor quantity x minus 2 from the expression 5 times quantity x minus 2 minus y times quantity x minus 2. This gives us quantity 5 minus y times quantity x minus 2. This is the final step. The factorized form of the equation is quantity 5 minus y times quantity x minus 2. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.